You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary from Nahuatl, make sure to stay tuned. I've got very fascinating videos for you, and yeah, stay tuned. Super thorough is what it means. The Nahuatl pronunciation is as Atlatl, Atlatl. Generally in English, it's rather pronounced as Atlatl, Atlatl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.